Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set voice access listening behavior on screen wake up in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Now here in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity and then click on voice access. Now here in voice access, click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here you will see a listening behavior on screen wake up option. So tap on this option and from here you can set the voice access listening behavior on screen wake up to always start listening unless previously asked to stop, and the third and last option is never start listening. So just simply tap on option to select. So that's how you can set voice access listening behavior on screen wake up in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.